Hey guys, we are very, very excited to have you here with us today as we open this mystery box.
Why are we like, it looks like we're hiding behind a box.
Seriously though, where did this come from? Does this really fire?
Yeah.
All right, let's open this box up. It is really heavy and very large.
And very strong tape.
We gotta get the hashtag notification squad. I see you guys, I see you guys. Stick around to the end of the video for a special little item. Oh my god!
What is this?
Did you guys watch that movie Ready Player One?
Yeah.
Yes. Is this the first ever C4 board?
As the person that recommended, did you like that movie?
Yes.
I was worried.
Mototech Wheelman.
It's like a Tron bike.
Yeah, how do we,
It's metal?
yeah, let's put it on the ground.
Man, that thing looks...
So sick.
By sick you mean
Incredible.
super scary.
Look at that. I guess you can only ride Goofy.
This thing is literally bigger than Carlos.
Oh, that feels so awkward already.
Wait, what is this?
This is the remote. I think that's the top is gas.
Oh!
The bottom's the brake.
There's a panda!
Panda where?
Right there.
Oh my god, Nigel.
Yep, that is gas.
As the official electric test bunny, I will try it first if you want me to.
Yes.
All right.
You probably already know how to do it.
I haven't tried it. I'm really excited.
It's a mystery box. No one knows. Let's just look at this. Oh no! Oh my god! Look at this thing.
You gotta spread your legs pretty far.
Damn, it's full man spread right now. Oh my god! This thing is insane! I feel like I'm in the future. You got a full send.
Full send. Full throttle. What are you doing?
I'm trying to. Well, it's gonna take a while to get
First
used
thoughts?
to it. It's gonna take a while. I got it though, for sure.
What if you have this on the street? You gotta ask like a stranger, hang on, spot me.
No, we'll get it.
Ow!
The wheels have to be.
I now understand why the handle is made out of freaking vibranium.
Hold on, I got your back. I got your back.
Oh! No! It's like a who can write it off. Wow! What do you think? I feel like we got it.
It's very hard to turn.
Dude,
Well,
it's so heavy.
it's like a motorcycle without handles. It sounds like Predator.
Yes, Aaron, yes! First try! Oh no!
You're like this wide, so then you're trying to turn your ankle to turn it, and it won't turn because your legs are too spread eagle. Once you're going in the wrong direction, it's over. The question is, how fast does this thing go?
I don't want to know right now.
Oh no! Oh no!
What in the world? Okay, hold up.
Gabe, the professional electric anything rider, has tapped out.
Aaron, hold up. Stand right here.
I'm telling you the secret. You get it going a little. Okay. I feel that I have fully figured this thing out. Keep trying to tell you guys, you get it going a little bit. Oh! Maybe not.
No way. No way. Oh no. Oh no. Look at you go. Wow.
Full speed. Oh no, the carpet! Oh gosh. It's the greatest feeling ever!
Wow.
I'd like to thank my mom, my grandpa. Definitely wears on your shins. Oh yeah.
Can you ride down the bank though?
I gotta get some more practice. You have to stand on it. You're kind of leaning that way because it's so wide and you're just on the very edge of it. If this wheel was about right here, I feel like it would be way easier. Go ahead, Petty, give it a go. Do you guys think this is the transportation of the future? Give us a vote. What?
Nigel, we gotta figure this thing out, man. Yeah, baby!
I'm convinced that because the tires are low, that's why it's hard. It's got to be easier than this. Like, nothing can be this hard.
I don't get the whole turning aspect.
Whoa!
I wanted to test out the brake.
Oh, yeah! You're like motocross guy.
That's pretty good.
You think so?
Oh, God. Take a wild guess as to how fast this thing goes.
22.
25.
No!
Who the hell wants to go 25 on this?
And it goes 30 mile range in a single charge.
30-mile range?
Yeah.
Wow. How much easier is it?
17 times harder. Because now you got to balance even more because the tires aren't flat.
No way. No, Benny! No, Benny, no!
There you go.
There you go. Get it in.
Take it easy.
Yes!
Slow and steady.
Yes!
The race. Straighten out and got it!
I got you, Thanos!
Oh my God! Aaron, there's a crack! Watch out! Almost died!
Oh, it's the widest turn ever. Full speed? Oh no! I'm gunning it! It's full throttle! Full throttle! Wow, my shins hurt so bad and I'm just riding it normal. No fall, no nothing. It is the transportation of the future! It is! It is! That's full throttle. That's fully gunned. This crack right there scares me. What's up, posers? You want to try a real ride?
No, actually, I don't. Got it. Oh, ready?
Oh no! Oh my God! Oh no!
This is how you ride it.
I'm so tired.
We gotta go to work.
Gotta go to work!
I'm surprised this works that slow. Oh my God. What in the world?
Alright, full speed.
Alright,
Catch up for a sec.
Go ahead.
We're going.
We're gone. We're out of here. Oh. I ran over my pinky.
Oh.
Oh, Fetty, no!
Are you feeling faint too?
That's terrible.
Oh
You
God.
have a first aid kit. You went over your hand?
Yeah.
A whole hand?
Just my pinky.
Where's that bleeding from? The fingernail?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna get you first aid.
So, that was the Wheelman. I hope you guys enjoyed that, because
I don't know. I can't feel my pinky.
Betty didn't enjoy that one.
No, I enjoyed it a lot. I think your weight just threw it over me, and then so I tried to put my hand down, and then the wheel just went.
Yeah, I think you got like the equivalent of wheel bite on this thing from like turning too hard.
You got finger bite.
You good though?
Yeah, I'm fine. I don't have feeling in my pinky, but I don't have feeling in this pinky either. So, hashtag blood alert.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much pain are you in?
Wait, you brought the alcohol, but you didn't bring bandages?
The pain is like a 2. It's not bad.
Fetty's attitude.
When you close your finger in the door, Like it hurts really bad at first, but then it just...
Then it's okay afterwards.
I do want something to wipe it as I
think you guys should go to the Braille house.
There's this weird bubble. Why is there a bubble?
Man down. That's why you guys never try this at home. They're trained professionals. It looks kind of swollen, no?
Yeah.
What? God.
Is this gonna hurt?
Yes,
Yeah.
it's gonna hurt.
All right, doctor.
It's gonna sting.
Does that hurt? I love Fetty! Nothing, literally nothing.
Whoa!
Oh no.
What do you need?
The scissors, cut it off.
Oh!
Where's your gloves?
Oh, honey. Ouch, that looks really
What'd I do?
bad. You're like my child right now.
Don't look at her!
I think what happened was...
I think it's so smashed.
It's so smashed that the nail went in and...
Yeah, that's what I think happened.
Yeah, so I think I lost all the nerves in this finger too.
It's gonna bruise.
I can still
So
play
you don't need medical
Fortnite.
attention?
So it's not meant for 2 people.
But you guys went very well with 2 people.
Yes, we did. Just don't put your hands down.
Your nail might fall off.
Oh, it's definitely gonna fall off.
Yeah. All right, Fetty, you are in capable hands. All right, Nigel, take it for a wang dang go. Holy crap! I'm pushing as fast as I can right now. Literally.
That's the way to ride it.
How did you guys do this? You seriously make it look so easy. Okay. Okay. I think I got it. Oh! Uh-oh. Oh, you said you lean?
Yeah. Yeah, boy!
First try!
Yeah, I feel like it's much safer standing up.
Yeah?
Yeah, because you could just jump off at any time.
Oh!
Yeah, if only it could turn like a lot faster.
Oh.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you. It's okay. Dang it. Well, what do you think? On a scale of 1 to 10, is this the best mystery box we've ever had?
I think it's the most mysterious mystery box you ever had. I'm not gonna say it's the best because I'm still a strong fan of the solo wheel. All right, full send, wang dango. You got it.
Full send!
Oh! All right, you gotta land that.
Mother.
End the video.
Oh no, we can't have that. Full send, let's go! Oh, what? Dude, first try. I think that's all we got on this, except for maybe jump that ramp off the 5.
No. I'm putting the end of this because Fetty already almost died. Can't have that. That's true. We need our guys. Well, we found Fetty's favorite electric thing in the 1 wheel. Mine is the solo wheel, and Aaron's is now the Wheelman.
Fetty, what do you think?
That's fun.
Is beyond enthusiastic as he can get. It was fun.
Yeah.
Is your finger okay?
Yeah, don't feel nothing.
Maybe that's a good thing for right now.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if you guys noticed these shirts or not, but it is the Braille gaming shirt with Fetty and me. And I'm not sure why I look so angry, but I just do, I guess. Maybe because I suck at video games. So thank you, each and every single one of you. If you guys noticed at the beginning of this video, I said stay to the end for a special subscriber-only situation. So I see you guys writing in the comments the hashtag notification squad. So I'm gonna pick a person in the comments of this video that writes hashtag notification squad. You have to be subscribed. And you have to comment and like this video. And then I'm gonna pick one of you at random and I'm gonna send you this shirt right here, which is also available from Teespring. Like I said, I cannot thank you guys enough for all of your views, your likes, your comments, and yeah, just being here to support the full Braille skateboarding community. Check out this full playlist for a bunch of other incredible, awesome videos. You guys are the best. So again, thank you. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave that comment below, and I'll see you in the video tomorrow. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.